Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some oven bake jerk chicken. Yes, so guys, with my jerk chicken I'm not gonna use no form of seasoning, okay? I'm only gonna use fresh seasoning. Yeah, I make some jerk marinade. This is it right here, and I've got a video on my YouTube channel on how I make it, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? So this is the video right here, and all the ingredients is in the description. So guys, please go and check it out, okay? I put scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, scallion, ginger, garlic, you know, nutmeg. Yes guys, everything is in there. I'm telling you, it is so flavorful. Pimento seed. This recipe right here is a must try. I'm telling you, the jerk marinade that I made, it is so good. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Please go and check it out, okay? And it's very easy to make. Very, 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 very easy. All you do, you just get all the ingredients and just blend it all up. So as I said, I won't use any seasoning. I'm only gonna use fresh seasoning. And the reason why it have this color, because I had a bit of browning to it. And guys, I'm gonna leave a link below in the description and how I make my jerk wet marinade, so you guys can go and check it out, okay? So I'm gonna use leg and thigh, and this is 6. It's already washed in some vinegar. You can always use lemon. So what I did, I cut it. So when I'm seasoning it, all that marinade will go right in. So this is how I cut it, like so. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah, like that. So first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add some salt for taste, not a lot. And I'm also gonna add some olive oil, at least 1 tablespoon, just to keep it nice and moist. I'm gonna give you guys a up close look on my wet jerk marinade. I'm telling you, this right here, guys, it's full of so much flavor. And this is 5 tablespoons. Yes, look at that. And it is so thick. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. And if you try it, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? And as I said, the jerk marinade is very easy. Super, super easy to make. And guys, if you don't want to use my wet jerk marinade, if you have jerk season at home, the wet jerk season, you can always use that also. But I encourage you all to follow my ingredients, because it's going to be so, so delicious. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some of it all over on my chicken. And you can always use a gloves, okay? I'm gonna take my hand and just rub it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. So guys, I'm gonna add some of my jerk seasoning to it, and this is the powder seasoning, and this is the only seasoning I'm gonna add, because obviously I'm making jerk chicken. So I'm gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of it, okay? And that's it. And I'm also gonna add just a small amount of browning, not a lot, just to give it a bit of color. Yeah, that's it. And you can always leave it, guys, to marinate for at least 1 hour, or even leave it overnight. But guys, once you season your chicken properly, honestly, it will still be delicious. It's something that I do all the time. I don't always marinate it, but it's still delicious. And you would think that, oh, it marinates, and it didn't. The key is to season your chicken properly, or whatever meat you have. Just make sure it's seasoned properly, and it will be delicious same way. Look at that, guys. It looks so good. I'm gonna add my remaining wet jerk marinade. Guys, my jerk chicken is nicely seasoned. I'm telling you, it smells so good. You know this is gonna be super flavorful. Look at it. Nicely done. I'm just gonna leave it to the side, okay? So stay tuned. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And I just want to thank you all so much for supporting my YouTube channel. It really means a lot, guys. Thank you for liking my videos, for commenting, for sharing. Honestly, thank you for the support, guys. I appreciate it very much. Love you all. So guys, here I have my baking pan, and what I did, I just put a baking paper over it because I'm gonna put a grill on top, okay? But before I put my grill on top, I'm gonna add some scallion and some fresh thyme at the bottom, and this is just gonna give your jerk chicken, guys, more flavor, okay? That's my scallion. I'm also gonna add just a few garlic and a few of my pimento seed. And in here I've got some water, at least 1/4 cup of water. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of my wet jerk marinade to the water, at least 1 spoon, okay? And I'm gonna do like this. Instead of just adding water only, I'm adding my wet jerk marinade, and I'm gonna put it on it like this, okay? And as I said, it's just gonna give your jerk chicken more flavor when it's in the oven, and it's gonna keep your chicken nice and moist. Just gonna move it up. So now I'm gonna add my grill on top like this, and I'm gonna also add some oil to my grill so the chicken doesn't stick. So I'm brushing the oil on the grill. Yeah. So now I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? And you wanna just lay it down like so. So all this season that leave back in my bowl, I'm gonna add it to my chicken. You just want to brush it on. And you can leave back some as well. Just leave back a bit, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 35 minutes and 180°C, okay? And I'm not gonna cover it. I'm gonna leave it uncovered. Yeah, that's it. So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, I remove my jerk chicken from the oven and this is what it look like. It's been in the oven guys for just over 35 minutes. And I'm telling you, it looking super delicious and so moist. Honestly, it is so good. I'm loving how it look guys. Look at that. So juicy. What you can do, you can take a spoon and the liquid that at the bottom, you can just pour it on your chicken, okay? Just to keep it moist. You just pour it on it like this. And what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna flip it over, okay? Because I want the other side to brown up. Yes. This recipe is gonna be so delicious guys. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy it. It is so good. Super delicious. Make sure if you try this recipe guys, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. And share it guys, please share it to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, every one of your social media guys. Because I know someone will definitely enjoy it, okay? Look at that, so juicy. So guys, as I said, I'm gonna flip it over, okay? You see how the side of it white? You want it to look of this char color on it, as if it was on a grill, okay? And I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 30 minutes, okay? (30 to 35 minutes). Guys, you can always add some of the liquid on top, like so. Or if you also have any of your jerk marinade leave back, you can always add it, okay? Just brush it on. So I have this olive oil spray, so I'm just gonna spray it on my chicken, okay? So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, my jerk chicken is all finished and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. What you can do, you can always flip it back over, okay? So guys, please don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media. What I'm doing, I'm just gonna cut it up because I'm gonna show you guys. And you know, when you go to a Jamaican restaurant or any Caribbean restaurant, this is how they cut it up. So guys, stay tuned, okay? So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop up my jerk chicken, okay? Do you know whenever you go to a jerk shop and they always have the board and the chopping knife to chop it up? That's how I'm gonna do it. Let I give you guys a up close look. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, it is so good. You know what? It look as if it done on a grill. Yes, this doesn't even look like it was in the oven. It look as if it was on a grill. And this is exactly how I like it. I don't like when my jerk chicken too watery. You see that? Perfectly cooked, guys. Look at that. You can see the juice is coming out of it. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is so juicy. Look at that, guys. I make some festival, so I'm gonna have some festival with it. Yeah. Look at that. Nicely done. So guys, I'm serving my jerk chicken with some festival, of course, and I have some sauce there right there on the side. I'm telling you, this right here is so yummy. Look at it, guys. It look absolutely delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. You guys are gonna enjoy it. It is so good. Guys, there you have it. This is how I make my oven jerk chicken. I'm telling you, I just taste some and the flavor is everything. It is super flavorful and absolutely delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Your families, your friends, everyone will enjoy it. I have some homemade sauce right here that I made, and I only add some barbecue sauce to it, some ketchup and some sugar. Okay, yes, that's it. And I'm also gonna serve it, guys, with festival. Here I have some festival right here on the side. I don't have a video on my channel on how I make my festival, but hopefully, guys, one of these days I will definitely do a video. Okay, yes. What you can do, you can just pour some of the barbecue sauce on it like this. Look at that. This is so good. My mouth is watering. Super delicious. The plate like this. Yeah. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.